Now, if you ever wondered on how much YouTube pays per 1000 views, this is a complete video for you. Remember, it's Haizel from the Creators Guide, and in this video I'll go through the step by step on how much YouTube pays per 1000 views. And there are 5 steps in this video for you to know how much YouTube pays per 1000 views. So make sure you stick up to the end. And the fourth one is a game changer. Make sure you feel free to stay up to the end of the video, because I'll add a bonus section on how much YouTube pays per 1000 views, so you can decide for yourself if you are starting on a YouTube channel as a beginner content creator. How much YouTube pays per 1000? The truth nobody tells you. You have probably heard people say, bro, pays a lot of money, but then someone else says, nah, pays almost nothing. Who is actually telling the truth? If you ever wondered how much YouTube pays for 1000 views, whether creators are secretly becoming millionaires, or if you can actually make money posting videos online, this video is for you, because the answer might surprise you. And trust me, it is not as simple as people think. Before we begin, let's clear something up. When people ask how much YouTube does pay for 1000 views, they think there is one exact number, like maybe YouTube pay everyone $5 or $10, but the truth, it depends. Two channels can both get 1000 views and earn completely different amount of money. One creator might earn less than $1, another creator must take $20 or even more. Crazy, right? So what actually causes the difference? Let's break it down. Number one, how you actually pays. YouTube mainly pays creators, those ads that pop up before a video starts, or the ones in the middle of a video. Yeah, advertisers pay you ads to show those ads. The YouTube shares part of that money with creators. But here's the important part: you are not paid just because someone watched your video. You get paid based on things like who watched your video, that's tip number 1, where they live, that's tip number 2, how long they watch your video, that's tip number 3, and what kind of ads that were shown for viewers. For example, viewers from countries like the United States, Canada, or the United Kingdom usually bring in a higher ad revenue than some other countries. Advertisers spend more money there. To 1000 views from one country may earn more than 1000 views somewhere else. Why some channels earn more? Another thing that matters is your content niche. Let's say you run a gaming channel. Gaming ads may pay one amount, but if someone has a finance channel talking about investing, money, or business, advertisers may pay more because companies want those viewers so badly. That means creators making videos about money, technology, education, or business often earn more per 1000 views than channels that focus on entertainment or memes. Matters too. If your video is long enough to include multiple ads, creators may earn more money because there are more opportunities for an ad revenue. But remember this: more ads don't add automatically, meaning success. People still have to enjoy your content enough to see and watch your video. Now, let's talk about numbers on average. Many creators may earn somewhere between a few dollars to around $10 per 1000 views, monetized views. Sometimes less, sometimes much more. But there's something people misunderstand: not every single view is monetized. Some viewers skip ads, some people use ad blockers, sometimes no ad shows at all. So if you get 100,000 views, don't automatically assume you are rich. The money depends on many different things working together. That is why some creators with smaller audiences make more money than creators with millions. What actually matters? Here's the truth most people don't talk about. If your goal is only money, YouTube can feel frustration because earnings are unpredictable. One month may be amazing, the next month not so great. But creators who focus on building an audience, improving their videos, and being consistent usually have a better chance of growing the views come. Now, one thing is about the subscribers come and eventually the money follows. So how much money does YouTube pay for 1000 views? The honest answer is it depends. Now you know why. If you are thinking about starting YouTube, don't focus only on the money. Focus on creating content people actually enjoy, because every big creator once started with 0 views, and maybe your first successful video is closer than you think. Now if you ever find value in this video, make sure you click on the like button and click on the subscribe button to get more contents like this. Feel free to check this video out on how I monetize YouTube channels without ever showing my face. See you there. Peace. Shalom.